Alrighty, how to use Google Maps to find something you're looking for. We had a member on GeoMetro Forum say they have a person who's going to be in Orlando, Florida, and he wants to find something on Google Maps. So, let's bring up Google Maps. You go to your browser's address bar, which will be this bar up here, not the search bar, and you type in maps.google.com, and this is what you're going to get. Now, in the Google search bar, which will be this bar right here, we're going to type in what we're looking for, or where we're at first. We want to type the source first. Now, he didn't give me anything more specific than Orlando, Florida, so that's what we're going to use. We're going to go to Orlando space FL, Orlando, Florida. It's going to bring up Orlando, Florida. Because I didn't give it a specific location besides the city, it brought up City Center. Once you have City Center up, you can now search for whatever you want to look for. Once again, in the search bar here, you just type in what you want. I want, say, an AutoZone. So I'm going to replace Orlando, Florida with AutoZone. Search. Now you have to be careful doing a search for something. If what you're searching for is not specific, for example, if I want to look for Napa, if I just type in Napa, it's going to change me over to Napa, California. So I need to type in Napa Auto Parts. It'll give you suggestions. It'll drop down from this box as you type them. Pick the logical suggestion. Once you've typed in AutoZone and pressed enter, what it has done, it has searched this entire map area for anything called AutoZone. Each of these dots is an AutoZone parts store location. This one's pretty close to City Center, so that's what we're going to use. You can also use this list here and pick the locations. Most of them will have phone numbers. You can also click on a specific location, and it'll bring up this nice, neat little box, which will have the name, the address, and the phone number. If you're going to go to multiple locations, this will be a good time to copy the address of one of the places you're looking for. Try to get just the address. Okay? If you want to know how to get there, well, first call them, see if they have the parts you need, but you just click on directions right here. And it's going to change this into two boxes. The first box is where you're coming from. The second box is already filled in. It's got the AutoZone. We chose City Center because, well, that's what I had. You would put in whatever your actual address is. Click Get Directions. And now it brings you up a map showing you turn by turn how to get from where you are to the AutoZone. You can also add destination and put in a third location. That's where you're going to use the copy-paste. If you found like a Napa you want to stop at as well, add that to it and type that location in. That's all you got to do. That's it. Very, very easy.